Okay, looks like we are live, so welcome back. Yeah, happy Easter. It is Easter today. Yeah, he is risen. No doubt about it. So today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano script. Yeah, it's going to be a shorter stream today because Easter, right? But the idea today is to switch to an arena allocator and fix some of the memory problems that we have in Kano script right now. We also have these problems in the virtual machine itself, but I'll worry about that later. Right now I want to implement it in Kano script. So, let's see, if I can actually look, right? So I can go ahead and run this on, say, rule 110, right? Rule 110.kano. See, it runs all right. So what I can do is run this through Battleground, like that, and then once we run it, we can see there's no other issues, like other memory issues, that it reports at least. Um, let's see. But yeah, so there's obviously memory leaks, because I did not make an attempt to free any of them or anything like that. And it really shouldn't be that hard. So basically, what we have to do is, before we Lex, we'll allocate an arena here. So we don't have this yet, but this is like what it's going to look like. We'll allocate token arena, and allocate that. And then pass it to here, right? Arena. And I'm going to have to update it, and then all our calls to alloc and everything like that, of course. And then we'll have another one for the, let me just get rid of this. For the, say, parse arena, node arena, something like that. We'll allocate everything in here, and then we'll have to pass that as well to the generate. And I don't know that we allocate anything actually in the generate function. I can take a look. Okay, so there is a few. So it's with the setting up the extension. But that's actually only temporary because I'm going to switch over to, like, actually very soon, to compiling directly to the virtual machine bytecode. So maybe I don't need to even worry about that. Right, so I'll probably ignore this one, but in the front end part, we'll have to allocate a lot of stuff. So, I guess I don't really have to pass the arena to the parser. I just have to, yeah. Alright, so we're good. Yeah, so we just need to pass two arenas, and we need an arena, right? So I actually have one that I implemented some time ago, and I was just cleaning some things up earlier. It has a few issues because I wrote it when I was not as proficient in C, you could say. So it's got a lot of issues, right? As with everything. But let's see. So it's this arena pass, right? So it's I turned it into a header only file because I feel like that's just gonna be nicer to work with. Yeah. So we have that right here. So we have like the arena, and I'm not super happy about this, and I might change how it works. Basically, it's a linked list, right? So when the capacity fills up, it just allocates a new arena, and then basically it makes it a linked list, right? Based users, yes. Hello, Mr. Based. Yeah, so it's like a linked list. I might want it to just be a dynamic array where we just reallocate whenever it overflows, right? But for now, this is how it works, and it does work, right? So I'm gonna go here, run that, and there's some unused variables because we don't actually use a lot of them, just for testing. And then yeah, you can print it out. You can see it. It's like a linked list, so we need to figure out the ideal initial size and things like that. Yeah, but that is. It should work, and it's pretty simple because arenas aren't super complicated. But it's gonna be really useful because I can just allocate everything to the arena, and then just free it all at the end and not even worry about it. So, well, you have to worry about it because you have to free it still, but it's not. It's a lot easier than making sure you go through and free everything like that, right? So, yeah. So I think I will just go ahead and copy and paste it. Like I could do a submodule or whatever, but it's kind of simple for that. So allocators and then arena.h2 here. And then we have it, and we'll go into the. Let's see. Hopefully, is that yeah. Let's go to main.h actually. So I'm gonna need to make sure I include this in the right place. Let's put it in here. I think this would work the best, right? .h, and then let me. Whoops, put on the actually accident. Okay, we compile it, and then here we should be able to define an arena. So this works is arena, and this will be the token arena. Equals arena init, so we can initialize it, right? And this is not it, so those, what is it? C allocators right here. Alright, so shoot, I thought I wrote a readme for it. I suppose not. Okay, I'll just have to look at the code example. That's fine. So arena Alec, arena init, that's what I meant, right? And then you just pass the size. Okay. So I'm not sure what the size will be, so I'll just use the built-in one, which is 128 right now. I feel like I want it to be larger. And also I'll do size of token times that, right? So we can put that many tokens, 128. So that should be sufficient. And then obviously it will extend as necessary, right? So that should, let's see. Oh, yeah. So undefined reference, because I have to define. Let's see, I have to do it the same way that I do the other thing. Hang on, this might not work. Can I just define arena implementation? Okay. Arena init, is that not what it's called? It is arena init. So why is that? Alright, it doesn't look like that. Hello, how you doing? How are you doing? Not init, but implement. Then it compiles. Okay. So that's what I want. Now I want to pass the arena into the Lex. Doing great. I am doing pretty great as well. Happy Easter, by the way. Happy Easter. So, let's see. Yeah, so now I just want to pass it here. In arena. Oops, arena. Okay. So I can pass it to there, and then I want to replace all the calls to Alec with that. So let's go here. Lex, and we'll just arena here. Not arena, it's gonna be a pointer to an arena. If I compile that, it does still compile, so that is good. That is what I was hoping for. And in front of that C, I actually have to modify it here as well. Okay. Not using W error. Yeah, okay, I guess I can add that. I don't know. It was just not in the. I just have. I usually put these ones and then sometimes pedantic. Yeah, I don't know. All right, I can add that. Maybe I'll start adding that from here on out. Hopefully it's now more based. I have to add it to the other ones though. Yeah. All errors are good. All errors, not all errors, but having as many errors as possible. It's very helpful. Always, so. Yeah, happy to do that. So let's see, unused parameter, right. So I need to use it now. So anywhere that I call, wait, it's actually a realloc. So actually, shoot, it's not even gonna work, is it? So I need to make a custom realloc which wraps over it, right? So let's go custom realloc. But it's actually defined. It's not defining here, is it? Where do I define it at? Suppose it's in here. So I need this to actually call to the arena one. Use pedantic always because it doesn't allow me to be too crazy. That's fair. That is fair. Makes sense. So this is going to call to arena alloc, right? But I do want it to realloc. So okay. Do I actually use it as realloc, or do I only use it? Right, might be an issue. Oh, that's when I was testing stuff. It doesn't. Yeah, I don't actually need that. But I was having some linker issues, and then I tried both of them, and it didn't actually fix it. But I just never got rid of it. Rename it to xrealloc. What do you mean? Oh, this? Okay, yeah, I mean, I could do that. I do have to go through and change everything, but I have to do that anyway. So, let's see, I need to call to... Let's see, I need the arena alloc to actually work as though it is a realloc, right? So I might need to modify this, actually. So, let's see, I have this custom malloc here. Let's see, arena alloc. I could actually I'm gonna do it as though it is a let me think. So I need to pass that, right? And then if it is null, allocate a new arena. Okay. So what is this? This returns the pointer to what you are allocating. I thought they were doing the same thing, so I can use one of them and not both at the same time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do the same thing. Like, I don't think it matters that much, really. Usually I don't do the Pragma once one, just because I'm not really used to that. I don't have any particular thing against it. If arena equals null, then I guess I should check for that anyway. Then we just want to arena allocate. Can I just do that? And then actually I need to allocate the arena, right? Actually here, so here's what I need. I need to it's gonna have to be a double point event. So how do I want to handle that? Some compilers don't support Pragma ones. Okay. Yeah, I don't know a lot of the compiler stuff. But yeah, I know that like it's a newer thing for sure. So compared to if in def. Okay, so I need to init a new arena. Okay, times that. So we need at least a size, and then. So then we can actually do that. Right, then we just have all of the data. That's what I want to do. Not really. No. What is component? So. Okay, so how do I want to handle that? Do this. Okay. So then I can set arena. Right, so only if it's no. And I don't think I use arena anywhere else here, so yeah, then we just use current. Also, my library doesn't have no pointer checks, and I want to fix it with buy more RAM air. Yes, that is the best air. Best air. If developers stop trolling, would they really even be developers, right? Okay, so I'm actually changing it here now, but this is good, right? Good. Let's see, is that gonna be right? So I have to update where it's actually used. Do I call this? I do call it here, so I need to pass the pointer to the pointer of the arena, right? And I have to update the header. Okay, and then I have to update this. So this is like the example. So it's actually that. I don't know that that's gonna work. Yeah, okay, that doesn't work. I thought not. Yeah, we need to allocate it on stuff. Or on the, if that makes sense. And then we can say that. Okay. Alright, that is in the actual header file. So use arena capacity. Do I want to use that? Or do I want to use current capacity? Okay. Arena Alec, too few Argents. Alright, what else do you have to pass to the arena? Oh, you need to pass the arena itself, right? Mm. Expected that? Okay. This is in the arena. I meant arena again. That's what it's supposed to be. Yes, I had a stupid. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, and that is as well not a pointer. So, yeah, I need to allocate it. No, arena allocate. An arena is basically a type of allocator. Where basically you have an array essentially, and yeah, it's for easier memory management. Yeah, exactly. Where you basically have an array and you just allocate things to the array, and it's just one array that's allocated. So you allocate a huge chunk at a time, and you just place the pointers in there, so you have them, and then at the end just free them all at once instead of going through and manually freeing each pointer. Yeah, region-based memory management. So there's a few different techniques. An arena is like one of the simpler kinds. Like there's some where you like stack allocate it, so you can push and pop from it as well. Which is just a little bit more complex than this, and then there's some more complex things as well. So, let's see. So we allocate it. Okay. Okay, I did leak, which is interesting. Yeah, because I didn't free that arena at the end, did I? So I need to then free arena here. Okay, so that's fine. So that is kind of how I need it for that. Team. Okay, let's see there. So now it can be treated like realloc, right? Where you pass the size that you want to allocate to. So it's not exactly the same, I guess. Arena. Right, because we want to use whatever the arena is, so we do have to pass the arena. So I'm going to have to update every call to DA append to have the arena, right? Yeah, so it requires the argument, so everywhere I call that, I need to fix it. Okay, I should have a DA append for the arena specifically, because sometimes well, no, I guess I'm always going to want that, aren't I? As long as I am using... Yeah, yes, that's fine. Okay, so DA append. So I need the... I'm going to have to pass the arena around a lot, so... have the arena there. Customizable with color themes, plugins, etc. Yeah, I plan on implementing that stuff. For sure. Like, it's gonna be down the road. Right. Yeah, so I'm developing this language actually for that purpose of like extending it with plugins, like integrating this language into it, right? And then yeah, basically making it a scripting language for it, similar like VimScript or even Lua for NeoVim, right? I mean, it's probably not going to be as powerful as either of those. But right, you get the idea, right? That is sort of the idea behind it. Yeah, well, it's not syntactically necessarily like VimScript, but I mean the idea of it, right? Right, actually, I realized this could be, maybe just, right? That's not the right file. Pen. Yeah, so I want to replace all calls to that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of this so that I can do that. Because otherwise, it's gonna be a bit of a headache. Whoops. I have to use Vim for this unfortunately little. Sorry. That's alright. Yes. Mine does not have very good like local search and replace, so that is sort of that's the reason I'm doing this. That is the reason for Alright, now I can just query replace all of it. With DA append arena. And then obviously it's gonna be some stuff I have to go through for it. Whoops, I'm gonna press Y on that. Alright, the first one I need to skip over. So let's see, any DA append. So actually this should be okay. Okay. There is a whole lot of these. Holy crap. Okay. Then the first one I need to arena. Alright, so not all of them are going to have the arena, but I want to do that, and then I'll be able to go through the compilation next and figure out where I have to pass it, right? So I have to do that in here as well. So yeah, how many of those do I have? Alright, there's 11 of them, so that's not too bad. Pipe. Okay. So let's see. Too many arguments to function arena alloc, really? Oh yeah, because it only takes, alright, shoot. Oh shoot, the DA data. Yeah, so I need to update. Right. So I did that wrong. Actually. Wait, what? Hang on a minute. I kind of messed something up kind of bad. Let's see. Right, yes, that pointer. So that's the, oh, shoot. DA append isn't supposed to work like that. That's just when we have to reallocate it. But then, we can't really reallocate it. Right, So that doesn't really work. So I kind of did all that, but that was not exactly right. Yeah, so I made that mistake because this is for dynamic arrays. Okay. Yeah, because we can't really just reallocate an array like that. So the arrays kind of need to be handled like that. Shoot, actually, that could be a problem. Right, I need to think for a moment. Yeah, because if we're using an arena, we basically have one big array. And we can't have a dynamic array within there because it can only grow so large, right? Without running into other things and things like that. So that doesn't exactly work. Unless we just, do a new... yeah, I guess we need... I guess we do have arena realloc, don't we? How does that work? Because I didn't implement that. I don't remember that. So this reallocates the... it needs the old size, but I think we can just get that from the arena, right? Yeah, that's really what I wanted to use. How does this work? We allocate the new one. Yeah, okay, so that should work. So let's grab the old size, right? And let's actually get that from the arena itself. So we just use the arena capacity, right? Or, oh shoot, we can't read that, can we? But we can get it from the how plugins like Telescope make their pop-up dialogues. Is it all end curses or NeoVim API calls to draw on screen? I actually have no idea. I've not looked into NeoVim plugins at all, so I'm not sure how they work. Yeah, so we need the old size. But we can, that's actually not too bad. Alright. I need to regain that. Reality. So we still need the arena, so it's not always lost, but then we need the, DA, count, the current count. Yeah. Okay. Arena undeclared, so we have a couple of those. Yeah, so undeclared. Alright. Backend, not C. So we have that. Alright, so I can go back to, So we don't have an arena in this case, so we need to allocate one, of course. Menemy rating, hello, how is everyone doing? Happy Easter. Yeah, so I'm just working on scripting language, in C for my text editor, right? The idea is to make it configurable for my, like, a language that can be used to configure the text editor. Yes, that's sort of what I'm working on. Right now I'm implementing a memory allocator to integrate with the program. Yes. Let's see. Ton check followed. I apologize if I mispronounced, by the way. Okay, yeah, how is everyone doing? Peace, some C enjoys. Alright. Have a good one. Hello. Okay. So I need the arena in here. Hello, how are y'all doing? Alright, let's see. This is the program arena. Okay. Yeah. Follow. Thank you. How do you pronounce your name, by the way? Is it just Pro14? Congrats to follow. Big set. But you did now, so that is what is important. Pra. Is it pra? Yes, okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, let's see, size of, so this is just everything that is allocated within here. So do I want to do that actually? Because I can just free the data structure. I don't really need an arena in here. So yeah, I really want it for the tokens and the nodes, the syntax tree, right? So I think it should be okay. If I get this, right? Duplicate it. And get rid of the arena from here. Just use the regular reality stuff. And that should work out fine. Yes indeed. Okay, get rid of that. And let's see, so then this will be the append. Yeah, arena. Dynamic array append. Alright, I think that works. So then all of the, let me go here. All the appends in here can be replaced with add append. Okay. And then the backend, that can stay the same, but I have to get rid of the thing, right? So get rid of the arena from here. My screen is flickering for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about. Is it a Vim thing? Probably a Vim thing. Okay, that is fine. So that should work out okay. And then we shouldn't have those issues. So yeah, we don't need this in here. That's all good. And now we have arena undeclared, so that's in the front end. So that's where we need to actually do that stuff. Char. Okay, so that would be. Let's see. So basically, they are rather similar, right? They're both arrays of strings. Something like this, right? That means it's a pointer to a pointer. So you have a pointer to a string, right? And then it's a pointer to that pointer, right? And then that basically you can form an array with that. But with this one, basically, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay, well, yeah. Right, this would mean that the string is it's like stack allocated, right? Whereas the other one would be a pointer, so it could be heap allocated as well. I could be wrong on that though. I forget. But usually, like when you're allocating an array like that, that means it is going to be allocated on the stack. Whoops. Usually I do not use those though, like because it's not very. Like usually I use just the pointer one and then heap allocated. Right. Okay. All right. So yeah, anywhere that there is a missing arena, right? This needs to yeah. So we'll get to the parse. So let me actually that's gonna be handled differently. So I need to do that in here. So I need the arena. This will be the node arena. Size of node times arena size. As pointed to that in here. And actually I need to update the header file, like that. Parse, yeah, and this needs the arena. Okay. Arena undeclared. So, where is that at? So that's in 700. Oh yeah, I forgot to add it in here actually, so that is quite important. Alright. And let's see, 622, arena undeclared. So I need to pass that around. Yeah, you can do that actually, I'm pretty sure. So that basically, like you declare a string, right? So a string on the stack. So say it's like, I don't know, that, right? And then you, then you have an array of it. Let's see. Yeah, that syntax should be valid. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. For sure. I think about it because I don't usually use that, so but yes. So yeah, all these parsing functions are going to need the arena, right? So parse. And then also all of the calls to it, but we should be able to just query replace that, and that should be not a big deal. So me, I will actually do that. That's probably a good idea. So I'll get rid of this. Undo that, and right here as well. Since I can place the function calls and declarations with that. Yeah, using a lot of Vim today. That is interesting. So let's see. I can replace parse. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted. Parse. Let's see. Parse primary. That's gonna be for sure. Arena. Oops. Parse primary. Alright, doesn't like that. Do I need to escape something? Oh shoot, I did it wrong. Okay, parse primary. With parse primary. Arena. There we go. then parse expert, then I have to replace that with parse expert. Yeah. So Vim, when I query replace like this, it flickers a little. I don't usually use Vim. I'm usually using Kano, so not used to that. And let's see, so then there is parse expert 1, right? That's what it's called, yes. Okay, and let's see, so how does that clear things up? It seems to have made it worse. Cleared here. Oh yeah, so I need to actually modify the header file as well, don't I? I guess I don't really call it outside here. Do I even need it in the header file? That's the wrong header file. We know, okay. Parse native node. That might not use it actually, I'm not sure. I don't remember if it was you, but you have also implemented your own assembly language. In a sense, right? So it's not a native assembly language, but I wrote a virtual machine, which has its own bytecode, and then there is an assembly language for it, which represents the bytecode essentially. So yes, and I'm actually using that virtual machine now, and that is what this language compiles to. That's what this is basically. But yeah, this is an old example of the assembly here, so it doesn't actually work anymore. I need to update it. But yes, so there is an assembly in a sense, but it's not like NASM kind of assembly, right? So this parse expert too few arguments really. 79. All right. 9. Man, you rock. Well, thank you. I would like to write a native assembly at some point, like even just a pretty basic one that compiles to machine code. That would be pretty easy. Yeah. Why isn't it like this? I don't. Oh shoot! It's because that doesn't work, does it? I am kind of stupid. Okay, then I just have to modify the actual no, expert. What is it? Parse expert. Right, so that needs that. Yeah, I need to place a lot of it. So this needs to be arena. There we go. And then parse expert 1. Yeah, so I made a bit of a mistake. Okay, and then I messed that up. Parse expert 1. Arena. Okay, I'm pretty good at this. Parse expert 1. There we go. And then, yeah, again, I have to modify this to actually have. There's probably a better way to do this, but I'm not very good at that. So parse primary has the same issue. Parse primary. Arena. To that. There we go. Parse primary. Parse primary. Okay. Alright, that should be it for that right there. Then parse variable declaration arena undeclared. Okay, so parse var that. So we don't have very many calls to that, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Arena and okay, and that should be that. Maybe able to go back to Kano soon. Yeah, I need to update the header file now. Okay. Arena undeclared. So that is in parse native node. Okay, so we're gonna need that in this one as well. Whoops. Hey Tim, how you doing? What is up? It's native. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Okay. And that's it. Okay. parse built-in mode. Yeah, so same thing. Parse. Okay. Built-in. I don't have too many calls for this, so and that's okay. Okay. And right here, let's built. I don't have it. Okay, so we should be good. All right, generate string. That means int string. That's probably good. Generally, that is bad. Not always, of course, but unless you mean you didn't drink water, in which case, is a different thing. Right? I'm assuming not. Oh, okay, almost to the end. Past 4 minutes, but just takes 3. Alright, it doesn't like that. Interesting. What is it? Oh, shoot, I see. That is, 210, right? 24 viewers. No, it is not a record. But it's because I got a raid, from Metami not too long ago. That's why there was so many, but yes. I have had, more before, from raids again. Yeah. It's more than usual, though, for sure. For sure. Cobb shell. That could be cool. That could be cool. Yes. There's a lot of potential ideas. Kano shell, right? Kano shell. Gotta stick with the brand, right? Cabell. Let's see. Arena init size. I cannot spell, it seems. What's the most you've had? I think it's 60 something. At least that's what it says in the analytics. Okay. Alright, so that did not work. Yeah, so I need to allocate. Why did that not work? Concerning. But I forgot to replace the reallocate calls, right? So this. Okay, so this reads the file actually. Do I want to allocate that in the arena? Probably should, right? Yeah, we don't read from it after. I'll just allocate it in the arena. Might as well, right? I'm pretty sure there's only one part of this, so it should be okay. Alec. Arena and yeah. Okay. The first function to be implemented for your own custom shell, rm-rm, for sure. That'll delete the whole system. It is an app, yeah. Well, it's a program, right? Application program. Okay, let's see. So I need to pass the file. Why not call that in here? So what do I call that? Right here, okay. Let's that back. Just allocate it here. What do you guys usually do for Easter? Just I don't know. Just like have dinner, right? With the family. That's usually what I do. Not like any particular thing though. Okay. What is this? What is this? I messed that up. Arena Alec, which is in yeah, so I messed that up. Sing songs, make a mess, and have fun all together. Very nice. This is this is Arena. Yeah, Arena Alec. Wait. Okay. Yeah, and then I need to update the header file. Yeah. Read file. Okay. Okay. Segfault. So I seem to be having an issue, right? Stack is wrong. Yeah, so where is it at? So it's in the parse. You know what? I don't, right, so trying to refund. So, it seems to not be allocating properly. I didn't replace all of the calls, like, did I? Yeah, so create the node. We want to allocate to the arena. Arena. This seems to be actually, let me see. Right. Perhaps that would be better than this. Just copy everything. Don't celebrate Easter. That's all good. And that's all good. One in Venice. Carnival-like celebration. Very cool. So yeah, do I want to not do that? Let me try this, right? And then make this. Well, yeah, then I need to change. How does the real do it? Okay, returns that. Right. I don't know. I need to think. Let's see. Well, okay, if the arena equals null, then I'll just I don't think that's a good idea, right? Because you need a valid arena. Right. Okay, and then we don't need the whole double point thing, which is not great. Create node. Actually, here I need to update. Yeah, I didn't actually copy this over to that. Guys don't insert them, they drink. Transcript. Build. Okay. And that is incorrect, right? Where is this? In NC. Create node. Oh, yes. Okay, so I need to update that. Okay. And there we go. So I think Why is the token not? Gaming stream cause Easter. What game? What game? Depends on the game. What games you have? Minecraft and Super Tux Kart. That's pretty much it. Minecraft? Maybe. Did you separate Tim and ConnectScript? Not yet. I'm moving over to the arena right now, so that it allocates the arena instead of just leaking memory everywhere. And then I will integrate it so that it compiles directly into the bytecode, and then I'll make a new repo for it and separate them apart, right? Yeah. Every Linux user has these two games, Minecraft, Super Tux Kart. For sure. Okay, that should be all. Okay, so what you... Right, no. Yeah. Okay, no. So where is it actually breaking? Break on X. Wait, so I'm assuming it needs a pending, right? So if I print. Yeah, so it does append to it. Tux the Linux Penguin. Yes, it is. Minecraft literally got me into programming. In a way, Minecraft did for me as well. So that's very cool. I mean, cheats for Minecraft, nice. I've never actually done that. I've made mods, but not like cheats. Not open source or something, but it feels like Linux. Probably just because it runs natively on Linux, right? But yeah, it feels kind of like it feels open in a way. Probably mostly because the modding community, right? Even though it's owned by Microsoft. So where does it fail? It fails in the parse, right? So am I not? What am I doing here? That is incorrect. So I programmed it at 9 or 10 years old. Very cool. I started at 12, so yeah, you can see the source code, but it's not open source, right? Well, it's not like it doesn't have an open source license, right? That's the thing. You're not supposed to look at the source code. Alright, there's actually a lot of stuff here, so maybe I should do it with a simpler program. Let's try that one. Alright, so we get same issues, so alright, and let's see. Better if they made it open source. The code was decompiled centuries ago. You can later find a working Minecraft client on the internet. Yeah. I mean, I think I feel like they wouldn't because Microsoft, but okay. Uh-huh. Nintendo. Oh man. Nintendo. Let's see. Alright, so almost the end. bring it onto the events. Alright, it should be it, right? Int. Okay, actually, I think I messed up. X. Alright, let's see. Okay. Oh shoot. So it just broke there. Okay, token now. Okay, so it doesn't like the tokens. For some reason it's handing an incorrect token or something like that, right? But it is. Okay, it's right here. So this is where it's failing. And it's the none type token. So what is token type none? Is that a token? Oh, you do have none. So why do we get a none? Get a none token. Did I mess somewhere up in this, right? So that's the very first token. So actually, I could probably run it again. Should have been paying more attention. Break on runs. Okay, no. Yes. And token dot type is none currently. Ident. Okay. Decompile jar and class files. Like entirely? Or to like JVM bytecode, right? Or not bytecode, but like the representation of it, right? Obfuscated. What if I look at tokens? Yeah. And that is that one. So I'm gonna break on parse and continue. Now we're going to parse. And let me bring tokens. Token. Whoops. Peak token. Tokens 0. Token peak, right? And we get what? Yeah, I didn't mean bytecode. I meant like the readable representation of it. Like the, sort of like an assembly for the bytecode. That is what I meant. Yes, why is it token type none? Because it wasn't before, previously. But now it is. Now it is. So what is... It's 4. Token peak. Okay, tokens 1. And this is... Alright, so that's the correct token type. For some reason, that one is not. So let me run it again. Yes. We'll go through. And let's see. So where exactly am I spelling? Token dot type. Token type done. And it becomes token type ident, right? Yeah, so ident. Tokens. Data 0. Token type ident. It's ident right here. So when does it become none? Why does that happen? What is the deal? So let's see. Parse. Why is it none? Where are the tokens? It's weird. That's none, but it has all the rest of the data. Sorry, now I'm done with that. Okay, so I messed some stuff up in here. Parse 952. Right here, okay. Uninitialized, so it doesn't like... It's an issue with the DA append, perhaps. Could it be in the arena reality? Actually, let me see. I still have to go pretty soon, so the gaming stream is going to have to wait for another time. Unfortunate. Alright, let me check for it. Sadness, big sadness. Let's Let's see, arena. We have the arena. We allocate it. If that. So let's do actually arena reality. Well, okay, let's declare let's start this, right? So we have this, and then we'll do reality. Enter 6. Let's see, and 1000. What is the other argument? Count and then the new one. Okay, so 1001. Right, does that work? Okay, okay. I messed something up here. Oops. We not add up. Let's see, I think I messed something up in here. What is this? Oh, okay, I see it's in here. I should probably actually leave it. Duh. I saw that issue in here. It's not right. Okay, it still isn't like that, but yeah, that was an issue. Array of references, and each reference has a reference to the reference in this pool. Huh. H. Do I not get any warnings for it? Because, because it's, not properly declared. Is that what it is? That could be an issue. Hang on. So where's this? Yeah, like the 8. Down here. Okay, that works. Arena H. Okay, invalid offerings to that. It does not save. Yeah, what is that about? So, not even here. So I have to get rid of the object. What? Yeah, this isn't in there. I have a different way. No. Java generates strings for about 30% of the bytecode due to the constant pool. Otherwise, you have no idea what you should do with reference and what columns you should make to JVM. But yeah, so Java needs so much memory, for sure. It's not even the code, so what's the deal? What? Oh shoot, I'm modifying in the wrong place. I am stupid for sure. Okay, I'm a little tired, I think. Alright, so cycle. So, wasn't cycle before. So this is because, whoops, that's not. Uh, So, yeah, this is. Is it not allocating properly? Let's do, like this, yeah. James Harrison didn't sign Java in this poor way, and that's Soko's fault. Hmm, I don't know. Uh, I mean, companies, do like to ruin things. So, you know. Okay, it doesn't complain about this. But in here it does. So, let me actually, let me do a track origins. Yes. Log file. It's log. Volcano. If it wasn't poor, it got poor. It's a different output, huh? Okay, so in arena init. Alright, so it doesn't like that. Alright, let me look at, so use on an initialized value, which was in the arena init. So that's the one. A.c, okay. Used in the parse. Alright, actually I should be running this from here. Why am I, right. Wait. There we go. Okay, source and front end. Not that. It's like Java, Java like code, and war idea. Only Java was maintained. And well, it could have been even more popular. Could have been more popular. I don't know. It's already pretty popular, right? Or you mean popular like in terms of people like it? Alright, so this is one. That's this arena. Doesn't like that. Size value was created by a heap allocation. Uh, 7. So it doesn't like that. JavaScript with new frameworks coming each month. Is it better? Initialize value. Alright, so it's all with the arena init. Okay. 0 lines of JavaScript and I'm proud. Good job. CTags integration. Yeah, I'll add an issue for that then. Yeah, if you have any ideas, feel free to, put in the Discord or make an issue or something like that. Let's see. I'll just put down. I'm pretty sure I can figure out the context from that. Okay. Yes, thank you for the suggestion. It might take a bit, right? I'm not really working on Kano too much right now. More I'm focusing on this. So yeah, like, not super soon probably, but eventually I will get around to it for sure. So let's see. So it doesn't like this, right? that is the alloc. All right, and let me actually hmm, right there. So it's uninitialized. Why is it uninitialized? Custom malloc. Right. So it's the call to that. Okay. Yeah. So this is, I'm assuming, what is causing the seg fault, right? It is trying to grab the no, there it is. Of the memory. So perhaps, right. Right. Is it an issue with that? Perhaps. No, okay, so it's still that. Right, I thought maybe it was just, there's an issue with allocating more once it fills up. That doesn't seem to be the case. Maybe something, very large. It's not going to be a power of 2, but. Alright. It's fine. It doesn't say problem or anything. I don't know. It could be something with that. Let me look at this. So, well, that. Oh yes, we're checking that. We have to go to the next one if that is the case. Allocate that plus size. Current next equals next. Alright. Current equals current next. Right, and then we allocate this here. Can't you just use GDB for the core dump? I don't know how that works. I'm not very proficient in GDB, so I don't know how that works. Um, Current size. Well, the current capacity has to be correct, right? So if all right, yeah. So then we have enough space there. All right, let's see. 1:35 a.m. Okay. Yeah. All right. Have a good night. Have a good night. Okay, let's see. Core dumps. See you later. No, core dump will produce. Uh-huh. Identify core dump file. Okay. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, so I have all that. Okay. Backtrace and GDB. What do you mean by that? Let's see. Okay, yes, I'm learning here. So I have VG core. Is that it? Is that the core file? Because I remember I've enabled this before. That is segfault and type backtrace. Okay. Shoot, it's not segfault. We'll go to the place. Okay, okay. Why is it? It's not that. Yeah, I have to do that. Okay. Oops. When I run it like that, it does. Okay, because this is a large one. Alright, yeah. So it has something to do with the reallocation of it. That it causes that. Because it only takes faults on a larger one. This is the larger file that it runs. That's why it's doing that. So I can actually do this. Alright, segfault. And then so run it in GDB. Like this. Is that not right? I have to do this. Yeah, run a program in GDB. Oops. Type R without breakpoint. Alright, to R with this one. Okay, and then backtrace. Okay. In parse. Yes. Yeah, it's at this place where it's trying to access the memory. Gonna do lay source. Mm. Right here. Okay. It's in one of it's in the Stirling function. I don't call that. So I don't know what that means. Um do wait source again, okay. Not doing anything. Why isn't it showing C source? I don't know. It's in one of the C standard functions though, right? Standard library functions. Right. Right. It's right here. So go through this. In main. In parse. fprintf. Yeah, it's in the fprintf function. That's what it was showing. Right, yeah. Because it's in here, right? Shoot. It's right here. This is print error, which is trying to fprintf. Yeah, I know. It's this. It's trying to access this memory, which I already knew that, right? I got that. Right. It's trying to access that memory, but I'm trying to figure out why that's not being allocated. Why it's not allocating properly. So did I mess up in here? Pass the data. Capacity. Mm. Okay, unless the realloc function is broken. Well, it might not even be that nice. Because it's all initialized in the arena init. It doesn't say it's from that one. So perhaps, let's see, it's trying to grab the token. What part of the token is grabbing? Valgrind can help. Yeah, I was using Valgrind. I was using it, so I have the log here. And yeah, it has the same 932 here. Yeah. Yeah. So let me actually try like getting rid of this temporarily and see actually that's not really gonna help anything, is it? Yeah, I was trying to that doesn't help. Yeah, because it's accessing the same thing. So never mind on that. I was trying when it's grabbing this token. Let me run through in GDB. Right, and actually look at it. So I'll break on parts. And then run. Yes. And I will continue here. So I will print token 0. And okay, so it cannot access the memory there. The string is fine. It can access the string. And the identifier. Can't access that. Is it the file name? In the location. 0. Okay, so that seems to be the issue. Did I forget something with that? Alright, have a good night. Have a good night. Sleep well. Okay, so it's with the location, right? What am I doing with the location here? File name equals file name. And where is file name's just there. That's in create operator. Where do I file name comes from the .c. It's this. So why can it not read that? Data size. Stir dupe it. Well, I don't know. It should be fine because it's an ARG, right? Like, do I need to do that? Because then I have to modify a few places. Because we were working before. It's just I started using the arena and now it's not. Is it what? It is. It's this, and then we pass it into. What's not up to date currently? Like the one that's up on the GitHub right now. It does work. I didn't change any of this file name stuff, so I don't know what that's about. So pass the file name in here, and we set it like this. Set the location. Right, and then this is a word. So that was this one. And we create that. Alright, let me just look at it. Break on legs, right? Wait, yes. Break legs. Let me look at that. So, print file name. So, yeah, we have it there. That is the file name. That is correct. Print open.log, which is correct still at this point. We're ending this stuff here. Yeah, so the token is perfectly valid right now. And it still was. Okay. Go to main. Let's see. So after this one, before, right? Break. Just continue there. Wait a second. Before that, wait, what? Why did it do that? What? That's not where I meant to break. Did I break in the wrong place? 24. Okay, let me try this again. So I want to break before this. Can you not? Okay, that works. Able to run. No, I need to actually run. Okay, no. This one. Yes. Alright, so now we're here. So I can print in stack, right? No, what is it? It is tokens, yeah. 0. Okay, so it doesn't work when we exit out of there. What is that about? It just gets messed up. The tokens are here. Could be something with the arena. That's what it's gotta be, right? Turn tokens. Okay, so the tokens here. Huh. So let me think. What is... Your pointer. There's an issue with this. Why is it a charge star? Make that a void pointer. Alright, would that work as a void pointer? Oh shoot, no, because you can't dereference that kind of stuff. That is why. So that's not gonna... Yeah, let's make it a... Byte. Have byte, right? Trying to find that. Right, not have. Yeah, byte is not there, so I need to do, U8, Okay, so that'll work. And we can just copy all the data, but this could be a mem copy as well, right? Let's see. Starting there. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. If I do that. Okay. So what is it? If new size. That's an equal to both sides. Turn that one. We do need to check if it's null too. Oh shoot, that's what the issue is. Wait. If old pointer equals null, then we want to just allocate Alright, yeah, I think this is what is missing, right? If it's null, then we want to not copy anything. We just want to allocate it and return new pointer, right? Actually, let me, did I save that? Yeah. The save points. Okay. I did not paste. Let's see. So return new pointer. Just a newly allocated one. Yeah, but we do want to, right, so if the new size is still, I want to do that. Right, because that's just treating it as empty now, but then this one needs to cap everything over, so that's probably fine. Yeah, okay. Mm, right. Just allocate it to the arena. Huh. Okay. I do have to go, so I'm just gonna commit this for now. And I'll continue to work on it, probably for the next stream. Hopefully I can get it working. And then the next stream will be something different. Assuming I have it working. Or I might not, though. Work on arena. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll just push it. Alright, it's fine. It's not, not production ready, right? Find out sending a PR. Alright, that would be much appreciated. Okay, yeah, so, let's see. Oops. Yeah, alright, all good. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy Easter. Bye.